Welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Rebecca. This is my husband Murphy, and we're traveling full-time currently in Southeast Asia, more specifically our Airbnb in Bangkok. Are you excited for today?
Yes.
I'm so excited for today. We are gonna eat all day. That's literally the plan. So we did this when we were in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, which is basically do just like a food tour of the city. So we decided to repeat that fun here in Bangkok. I'm so stoked for it. So as you probably know, either from watching our videos or from the title of this video, we are vegan. So this will be a vegan food tour. We have some places picked out, but we might find some places along the way too. And I hope it brought your appetite. Let's do it. Alright, I couldn't help myself. I got one more thing on the way out. Look at the packaging. It's a chocolate chip cookie. Yes, I'm having dessert after my breakfast. Let's see if I can get it open to show you. Chocolate chip cookie. Super excited. Alright, what did you think of your breakfast?
Incredible, amazing, delightful, delicious.
It might be the best vegan waffle I ever had.
Yeah.
Alright, so now we're gonna head to our next place. You might be thinking like, are you really gonna eat more food right now? The answer is kind of. We're gonna walk to our next place, which is about 8.5 kilometers away, so a little over 5 miles. So it's gonna take us probably, I don't know, at least almost 2 hours to walk there. So by the time we get there, hopefully we'll work up an appetite. All right, for our next meal, we're going for a little bit more of an authentic Thai experience, street food. So there's a little place called Bamboo Garden that we found after some deep YouTubing on Bangkok restaurants. So we're headed over there and we should be there eventually. This is so good. I'm pretty sure it's a mushroom, but the texture of it was like very meaty. It was delicious. What's your favorite thing?
I don't know yet.
All right, we ate it all. It was delicious. It was just as good as the food we got this morning, just like kind of in a different way. And we got all that food for less than $3 US. Isn't that right? Yeah. Such a good deal. What now?
More food?
I think we need a break from the food for a little bit. We're gonna try and navigate the train system back to closer to our hotel and then probably take a little eating break. There's a couple errands that we have to run and stuff, and then we'll see you for dinner. get some more food. So next up is a place called Barefoot. Oh, we're crossing the street. Hold on. Crossing the street in Asia, no joke. All right, so next up is a place called Barefoot Bangkok, and they are known for their vegan cheeses. So we're gonna go there just for a little appetizer before dinner. All right, we had to stop and make a detour for more food. What is it that you got?
It's like rice that is cooked inside bamboo.
So rice that's cooked inside bamboo. Murphy's been looking for this since we arrived in Southeast Asia. 10, 11 weeks. Just found it, had to stop and get it. All right, that cheese was delicious. 10 out of 10, would recommend, definitely go there. So now, main dinner event, we're headed 0.4 miles down the road to a place called So Vegan. Apparently, very affordable vegan food that's like kind of market-like, buffet-like. I honestly don't really know. Murphy picked it out and I just said, okay, we'll see. Oh my god. So spicy. I asked for it spicy because I've been asking for everything in Asia spicy and it usually doesn't come that spicy. I'm sweating. My mouth's on fire. You gotta finish it. I can't do it.
Okay.
That was so spicy that I feel dizzy right now, and I have goosebumps. My body's like confused. Is that normal? Is that like a thing that happens? What's happening? I'm on fire. Send help. Oh my god, are you on fire?
No.
All right, I've relaxed from my spicy.
Her mouth has calmed down.
I've relaxed from the spiciest meal I've ever eaten. We are on our way to a night market called Art Box. So there's a couple things we want to pick up for friends and family as little Christmas presents there. And also hoping we can come across some sort of dessert, perhaps. Yes, I can eat more food today. All right, we are back at our Airbnb. So total tally for the day.
Total tally for the day.
Took us 12 hours.
Yes.
We walked 14.1 miles.
Yay.
We spent 1,175 baht, which is about 38 US dollars. I mean, that's kind of a lot of money, but it was also a lot of food. Just a disclaimer, we typically do not eat this much in a day. If we're gonna eat out, we will eat out for one meal in a day, and we try and spend around 400 baht. But you can kind of see that there's like different price points for sure. Like the more Western inspired places that we went were way more expensive.
Yeah.
I'd recommend all the places that we went to. If you're gonna be in Bangkok and you're looking for some vegan eats, go to all those places.
Yeah.
For sure.
And there's plenty of other places that are out there too, if none of those really appeal to you.
Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna wrap this video up. We are leaving the continent, but we're not going back to the US.
You don't have to go home, but you can't stay here.
Exactly. We're going to another continent. I'm not going to tell you where it is. You're going to have to tune in next week to see where we are. I mean, or you can just follow me on Instagram because you'll know beforehand. But it's not warm. We didn't bring warm clothes, but we're going anyways. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. I put out new videos every week, so please make sure to subscribe down below. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye, friends. Get in here.
We built this city.
Ew, look how dirty this is. Hi, friend. Oops.
I almost spilled the beans. Vegan menagerie.
1, 2, 3. Don't mess it up.
Yes. Mm-hmm. Sure am. Yes. Waffles.
What did I just ask you?
I don't know. I can only think about waffles.
Bye.